I like those jolts in the middle. Woo. Damn, beast mode out of a little BMW. That's awesome. Wow, beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Oh. Wow, beast mode. That sucker's quick. Grab too. That was nice. Enjoy, guys. Oh yeah, perfection. I love it. See you guys. Woohoo! That's not bad either. You can still hear it. Woo! Listen to that sucker. I love my job. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Wow. Beast mode. Look at that sucker race car. Very nice. Enjoy, guys. Yeah, that was awesome. Enjoy, guys. You hear the pop? That was awesome. Hey, step in back right. This is that marble. What a beast. Came alive when we took the muffler off. Love it. Enjoy, guys. Good Lord. Wow. What a freaking bullet, guys. Jeez Louise. Woo. I love it. You guys gotta admit that was sick. Not bad for a 5.0. Yeah, he's gonna make drive-offs. Not bad at all. Especially now that we opened her up. Hey, come back! Oh, give him the resonator. Wow! Whew. I gotta call him. He says it's absolutely mental in the car, guys. That's how loud it is. I love it. You're gonna get drive off number 2 because he forgot his resonator the first time. So here it is. That never gets old. I can hear that every minute of my life. Oh yeah. What a beautiful sound. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Enjoy. That's phenomenal. Wow. Beast mode. Oh my God. Woohoo! Our first dark horse of many more to come. Mustang community, unite! Bring dark horses down to exhaust valley. Beast mode! You love it. Not a bad drive off at all. He's gonna come back this way now. I told him to go this way first. Now he's gonna give us a drive-by too. Because, you know, why not? He handled it good too. I love it. Beautiful dark horse, man. Enjoy, guys. Oh, okay, let's not. Oh, okay, let's not. From the guy himself, he says, go ahead and post it. So.
Go ahead and post it.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Hungry. Give me more. Give me more. Yes, sir. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.